Look around you. Everything you see has a name. That name is called a noun. Let's learn in just few minutes. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, things, or idea. Examples are sun, book, teacher, park, bag, cow, cycle, etc. So now let's solve this nouns worksheet. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct noun to complete each sentence. I have a pet. Dog, run. Dog. I have a pet. Dog. The dash is shining in the sky. Jump, sun. Very good. Sun. The sun is shining in the sky. She reads a dash every day. Book, blue. Book is the right answer. She reads a book every day. My dash is very kind. Happy, teacher. My teacher is very kind. Teacher. We went to the dash yesterday. Park, play. Park is the right answer. The dash is barking loudly. What is barking loudly? Fast, dog. Perfect, dog, because fast is not a noun. So dog is the right answer. Dog. The dog is barking loudly. I kept my dash on the table. Sit, bag. Perfect, bag. I kept my bag on the table. The dash gives us milk. Drink, cow. Who gives us milk? Wonderful. Cow. Cow is a naming word. Cow. The cow gives us milk. He rides his dash to school. Cycle. Very good. The dash is flying in the sky. What is flying in the sky? Bird, fly. Which is naming word? Wonderful, bird, the bird. The bird is flying in the sky. I ate and dash in the morning. Ate, apple, apple. Now your turn. Now you have to solve these 4 which are left for you. Solve and do comment in the comments box. We'll wait for your answer. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. And most important, do subscribe for more such fun-filled videos. Bye-bye.